Hi guys, karon is mo sakay mi og scooter for our bicycle. Ting 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 ting. Oh, pwede na rin siya mag-scooter guys. We don't know. Ay, he know how to calm down. Emma, no, Emma. Know how to calm down, guys. So, isa siyang liguan, guys. Just now, gani, nakaon niya ang tela. Just in case, magawa siyang tela. OMG.